Microsoft Azure Website Hosting Review, Usage Experience. Links to Microsoft Azure Hosting are in the description below. Azure is a powerful cloud hosting platform designed for enterprises, developers, and businesses needing scalable, high-performance infrastructure. It offers a broad range of services, including virtual machines, app hosting, Kubernetes, and serverless computing, making it suitable for everything from simple websites to complex cloud-native applications. Azure's App Service is its fully managed web hosting solution, supporting multiple programming languages like .NET, Java, Python, and PHP. It includes built-in security, auto-scaling, and continuous integration with GitHub and DevOps tools. For more control, Azure Virtual Machines allow users to deploy custom server environments. Businesses running containerized applications can leverage Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, while Azure Functions provide a serverless solution for event-driven applications. Performance is a major advantage of Azure, with global data centers ensuring low latency and 99.99% uptime. Microsoft's Content Delivery Network, CDN, enhances site speed, and auto-scaling prevents slowdowns during traffic spikes. Security is enterprise-grade with built-in DDoS protection, advanced encryption, identity management, and compliance with major industry regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO 27001. Azure is best suited for enterprises, developers, and IT professionals who need cloud-based scalability. While it provides excellent performance and flexibility, it has a learning curve, especially for those unfamiliar with cloud computing. The Azure portal offers a user-friendly dashboard, but managing infrastructure still requires some technical knowledge. Pricing follows a pay-as-you-go model, allowing businesses to scale resources based on demand, though costs can add up quickly without proper monitoring. One of Azure's standout features is its integration with Microsoft products like Office 365, Active Directory, and SQL Server, making it a great choice for businesses already within the Microsoft ecosystem. Additionally, Azure AI and analytics tools provide advanced capabilities for businesses working with big data, automation, and machine learning. Overall, Microsoft Azure is a top-tier hosting solution for businesses needing enterprise-grade security, scalability, and performance. If you have the technical expertise or IT support, Azure offers one of the most powerful cloud hosting platforms available today.